create similar solids, find the missing length. You've done this over and over and over in previous lessons. So because they are similar, they are proportional. So 2 is to 3, and I got that from those two. 2 is the height of this cone, and we do not know what J is, but 6 is the slant height, and I know that they're similar, so I know that they're proportional, and so we cross multiply. So 3J equals 12. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. That's gross. Let's see if I can. Oh. Good. Okay. Let's see if I can have that better. 3J equals 12. So we divide by 3, and J equals 4. 3 is to 6, as K is to 10. Cross multiply. 6K equals 30. Divide by 6, divide by 6, K equals 5. They are similar, so what is Q? 32 to 26. Is 16 to Q. Cross multiply and divide. Or 16 is half of 32, so what is half of 26? 13. You can do it that way too.